Morning, brother. What go on?
Yeah, man, blessed love, man, to each and every one, man. Give praises of say another day, you know?
For real, in a realest way.
Yes, I.
What the man name?
Well, a Juggy, you know, Juggy.
Juggy. Everybody know
Juggy.
you as Juggy.
Everyone know me as Juggy, you know?
Hey, what me feel like I never that the name there and get when you're born.
No, no. You know, I just, in the street, you know?
So, what your birth name?
My birth name is Stanley.
Stanley.
Yeah.
Where do you originate from?
Hanover.
Hanover.
And grow in a Mobile, you know?
Oh, for real. Hey, you know, so most of the people that live in a Mobile City, a country then come from Hanover,
Yeah.
St. Elizabeth,
Yes, I.
as far as Clarendon.
Straight. We know that, man. Peer country people come below the town, you see me?
You don't know, Montego Bay, without a doubt, is a tourist resort.
Yes, I.
And you find there are a lot of jobs here in Montego Bay, so people migrate, come to Montego Bay looking a better life.
Yeah, upliftment, you know?
For real.
I say it,
Yeah.
you know, I'm little joke work, say do more time, get 2 car rest for another day again. Without us kick back, say do go and hold it no work, you know?
For real, for real.
Yeah.
You know, say I say I go still as a trade man, the most important thing is you have a trade.
Yes, I.
You see me?
And I can't see what me achieve out of it,
You
you
get
know?
to me and say you can help yourself, don't it?
Yes, man, give praises, man, every time, you know?
In a realest way, for
Yes,
real.
man, you have to make one-on-one know the fullness, you know?
In a
And more
realest
things
way.
the people that take nice street I go through, a man who really know the pressure more time you go through, you see me? But
For
through
real.
man can hold it.
For
You
real.
just hold it and try through, said you see me?
For real.
Mm.
Because you don't know, you know, once you have the determination and you see yourself as an ambitious and independent person, you go definitely make the right strides them to make sure say you can do something for yourself, don't
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
In a realest way.
Yes, sir.
So, you don't know, I just a typical life in a Jamaica, my brother. But at what age you come a Montego Bay?
9-year-old.
Oh, you're 9?
About 9-year-old, man. I can't say yes, I'm a band, man.
See it. Therefore, you're little baby.
Yeah, man.
Little youth days. for
Yes,
real.
sir. Little youth days come and son come.
So when you left Hanover, you come straight in a Rose Heights.
No, never come straight to Roadside still. I come and brace on an orange Perlin stream, you know?
Oh, so from Hanover,
Yeah, man.
and when you came to Montego Bay, the first place you live was at Orange.
Yeah, Perlin stream, like a community, you know?
Berlin String.
Perlin stream, you know?
Oh, seeing?
Yeah.
For real. So what was life like as a young youth?
A joy, me I tell you, man. Yeah, man, go a bush, hunt bird, shoot bird, and, you know?
Seeing?
Have a whole part activity a bush said you youth and youth all about, you know?
For real.
Yeah, it's a countryside around there, so.
But closer to the city of Montego Bay.
Yes, I. For every little thing you want, you have to still come to town, said, you know?
For real, for real.
Yeah.
So what school did you attend?
Cascade.
Cascade Primary.
Hanover, yeah.
Hanover.
Yes, I.
That's the first primary school
Yes,
you've
I
been
leave from there and come to Sudbury all age, you know?
to. After that, did you attend any other school?
No, never attended a school for, you know? Parents are poor still, you know? After I left school, I say, watch ya. I don't know, say. If I know music, I trade, you see me?
For real, for real.
Yeah. And also, it just start out there, so you see me?
For real. So you finished primary school at grade 9. After primary school, you
Straight garage, man.
straight go learn at
Yes,
trade.
I.
For real, for
Straight
real.
garage. One garage in there, like go to market,
Yeah.
Hillfoot garage, Mr. Lawrence garage, and John Cook, the man they said way.
Lawrence and John Cook, and
Yeah.
them one they teach a trade.
Yeah, them garage. You see me, Mr. Brown, are the elder teach me Juco work said, you know?
Oh, see it. So it's a skill you come on.
Yes, man. For me, just sell on the street, all peanut, all them things there, you know, brother. You see right now, I can't forget, you know. A man me rise up, you know.
Yeah.
When I have $1 in my pocket, you see me?
For real.
I just have to tell me, say, you go link me brethren, you see me?
Yeah.
I go link a nigga, man. Come like a jam, man.
For real.
Bam. See, man say, yo, Juggy, you good. I say, boy, I know, say, me good at link me, come link up your money. Man say, yo, you know, say, my mind just flash pan there, I call you. And I say, I come like a jar. I say, yes, a jar send you come, my youth. Bam. It's a $5,000 bill that I see you slap. You see me?
Put a $5,000 in your
Put a
hand.
$5,000 bill on me and I say, yo, remember the days When man like you, and you just sell all peanut nice street, you always look for me. Give me like a peanut and more time, you know?
For real.
Like they are boss window more time until you come and say, yo, you want sky juice? Buy my sky juice, said and you know, give me a little peanut. So you would say, yo, remember them days, brother.
It's like me can actually tell a bit about your personality, your character.
Yes,
because, you know, as a man, a hustler, you were generous enough to share.
Yeah.
Out of the little what you have.
Yeah.
And because of those good deeds, good people remember those good deeds.
Yeah, good you do, man.
You see it, and it's like you come back full circle because you see a person when help come forward and help you in a year times and it.
You saw the good come right back around.
For real.
The more time people say, yo, you sow good seed, you go reap, you know. And the bad one can never come, you know. A good, and the good one, you go grow.
If you're so good, you go reap good, and if you're so bad, you go reap.
Alright.
But you know, so in the realest way, me like a story there.
Yeah,
you
man,
get to me, brother.
I good with you, man.
For real. So I want to touch upon the topic of relationship. Nowadays, what I find in a society is that a lot of the times women who don't show enough care, attention to our feelings and emotions, and you have verbal abuse, you have physical abuse, and you have mental abuse. And I feel like women, because of their trickery and their deceitful ways and manner, sometimes them hurt us as men.
Yes, man.
I don't think society is shining enough light on that situation as it relates to how females expect us to act as if we are made of iron and concrete and we don't have any feelings.
You see how me really see it up now, my brother.
Yeah.
Everything them do, if you accept it and right at all times.
Even when time of them make a mistake.
They have them false said way.
Yeah, but you know what they happen now because of the approach about the female them take, you find say men acting on their emotions sometimes, given the fact that us as men, we weren't taught on how to deal with a certain situation as it relates to our feelings and our emotions, and sometimes we act it out in a violent manner. Again, I'm not trying to justify any abuse physically or mentally towards female.
I mean, you couldn't look on a man and beat up a man too. Me say boy, in down the line, him have a man down the sun rare. Brother, tell me say watch ya. You done the same, you know. The
fact of the matter is females are not always right in their approach and they do make mistake. It is for them to accept what they have done wrong and do what is necessary to make the man feel as if he is deserving of an apology. He is deserving of the common respect to say that.
Yeah, truthfully, man.
To hear from his female partner that, look, honey, or baby or whatever she call her man, I was wrong and I am sorry.
Sure.
It sound like what I say make sense?
I said what you said, my brother.
In the realest way.
Real life, man.
Yeah, but one of the things I realize with females now, females don't feel like say they must apologize for whatever wrongs they do. They feel like you must act as if it never happened and move forward. Sweep it under the rug. Put it in the closet and act as if it never happened or it does not exist. Instead of accepting that they had done something wrong and take the necessary step to correct their mistake in order to move forward.
Yeah, majority of them no really. Majority of them.
Yeah.
You know, so they're not going to come for them and say, boy, I know, say, me wrong. We do that already, you see me?
Yeah.
The right way come like a magnet to steal, you know, brother.
A real talk.
Come like a magnet to steal, brother.
A real talk.
But you see one more time, brother, you see enough of, you know, you see woman and show we have things and more time you see things, you know, have a natural love. But anything you see you find a natural love if you're a woman, brother.
Yeah.
And the woman love you said speed me general.
Yeah.
Yo, a magnet to steal that, man. So you see if we can come together and we can each one we can accept the wrong what we do.
Sure.
We can live.
Love will go prevail.
Yes. You have to real. Let me tell you that. Yeah.
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel.
Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.